It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I want to get a shower today. And I only brought in about 12 gallons of water as of 3 days ago, and I know I'm going to run short if I try and stay here 2 weeks. So I know of a little tiny spring up here that I can get some water from. I have my black 5-gallon bucket and a saucepan in the back of my pack, and I'm gonna walk up to this spring. Well, I'm gonna have to walk over this little hill up here and then down to the spring and slowly fill up 3 gallons of water into this bucket with this pan, and hopefully not get too much debris in it, although I could strain it. It's just for a shower, so it doesn't have to be potable. The bad thing about this year in the mountains is there's a lot of mosquitoes. All 3 camps that I've been in so far have a lot of mosquitoes and deer flies. So last time I went over to this spring here, they were even going for my eyeballs. So I'm fully dressed, my hands are exposed, my face and neck. Put a little repellent on my neck because I've already been bitten. So let's see how this goes. I'm sure this water's cold, so I wanted to get an early start and get this bucket in the sun, and hopefully in 3 or 4 hours I have hot enough water to put up my shower tent and have a little bit of a shower today. The good thing is there seemed to be a little bit stronger flow of this water than when I was here last time. So hopefully it's a little easier getting water out of it without getting too much dirt or debris in the water. Definitely shady in here in the morning. Back there is one of the better flows of water. Not enough room for me to get my pot in there. I might have to look around a little bit. It's a nice little flow there. Has potential. Well, let's see how that works. I'll see if I can get a pan in there. Not bad. I think this is going to work. This went a lot better than I thought it would. This water is perfectly clear. This is going to allow me to stay here up to 2 weeks if I want to. I think I have a pretty good haul right now. I have at least 3 gallons in there, and usually it only takes me a little over 2 gallons of water to take a shower. So let's get out of here. So it's nice to find a spot where the water runs out of the tent the way I want it, so I'm not standing in a puddle. So it looks like there's a little depression right about there. It's really the only spot around here, especially without a lot of dirt right under it. So it looks like I'll put my tent right here, and hopefully the water runs into that little depression right there. I like to get this floor in here. It's just a piece of the tenting, you know, a floor that goes in it so you're not standing in the mud. The reason I like to get this in here first is I'm going to stake these corners down. It'll be a few hours before my water's hot, so never know, the wind could change completely. It's calm right now, but it's no fun when these collapse on you in the wind. So you can pull the corner of the floor out with its loop on it. Put your stake through both of the loops at the same time. I've got a little mat here for the next to the door, something to put flip-flops on when I come out, and again, if the water happens to run this way, I'm not stepping out in mud, because I'll head straight back into my trailer. So get a few things in here, body soap and shampoo, and I found I only need a small towel to dry off with. When you're outside, it takes very little to dry off. There's a little band up here to hang a towel off, and some clothing once you get in here. So I'm almost ready. I'm just going to wait for my water to heat up. Might take 2 or 3 hours more, and then I'll put it in the corner here. Shower head and hose, and just put it into the hose into the pump, and then hook the pump up to the battery. Works.